In a world where our lives are increasingly sedentary and time is a precious commodity, staying fit can feel like an insurmountable challenge. But what if I told you that you possess the most versatile fitness tool right within you? Welcome to the world of bodyweight workouts. No fancy gym memberships, no bulky equipment cluttering your space. Bodyweight workouts offer a simple, effective, and accessible way to build strength, improve flexibility, and enhance overall fitness. With bodyweight exercises, the only limit is your imagination. From explosive plyometric movements to slow, controlled isometric holds, there's a variation suitable for every fitness level. But the benefits of bodyweight workouts extend far beyond just physical fitness. They cultivate mental resilience, discipline, and a profound connection with your body. Each rep, each breath, is an opportunity to push past your perceived limits and discover the strength that resides within you. Bodyweight workouts foster a sense of community and camaraderie. Whether you're sweating it out solo or joining a group session, the journey towards fitness is always better when shared. One of the greatest virtues of bodyweight workouts is their adaptability. They can be performed anytime, anywhere, with little to no equipment. All you need is your body and a willingness to push yourself. In a world that never seems to slow down, bodyweight workouts offer a sanctuary of peace and mindfulness. They remind us to breathe, to be present, and to listen to the whispers of our bodies. Whether your goal is to lose weight, gain muscle, or simply feel more confident in your own skin, bodyweight workouts can help you achieve it. But more importantly, they empower you to become the best version of yourself. As the saying goes, the only bad workout is the one that didn't happen. Each drop of sweat, each ounce of effort is a testament to your commitment to self-improvement. One of the beauties of bodyweight workouts lies in their scalability. Whether you're a beginner taking your first steps on the fitness journey or an advanced athlete seeking a new challenge, there's always room to progress and grow. It's not just about the exercises themselves, but how you perform them. Proper form, tempo, and mindset are crucial elements in unlocking your full potential and preventing injuries. Exercise is medicine for the mind. The endorphin rush, the sense of accomplishment, the clarity of thought. These are just a few of the countless mental rewards awaiting those who commit to a regular fitness regimen. Exercise and nutrition go hand in hand. Just as you wouldn't expect your car to run smoothly without the right fuel, you can't expect your body to perform optimally without proper nourishment. The strength you build through bodyweight workouts transcends the confines of the gym walls. It empowers you to embrace adventure, explore nature, and live life to the fullest. You don't need a hefty bank account to invest in your well-being. With bodyweight exercises, the only investment required is your commitment to self-care and self-improvement. Every journey begins with a single step, and every milestone reached is a testament to the power of perseverance and resilience. Your body is capable of remarkable things. All it takes is belief and dedication. Fitness knows no age limit. Whether you're 18 or 80, it's never too late to start prioritizing your health. With consistent effort and a positive mindset, you can enjoy a vibrant, active lifestyle well into your golden years. Sometimes, the greatest transformations occur when we least expect them. Keep an open mind, embrace the journey, and trust in the process. You might just surprise yourself. In a world filled with noise and distractions, bodyweight workouts offer a sanctuary of strength, resilience, and community. So take a leap of faith, harness the power within you, and embark on the adventure of a lifetime. Your body, mind, and soul will thank you for it.